Okay, in the same question, let's extend the question a little bit. Okay, in this given question, let's say part B. What is the probability of a daily sale of bread is between 65 and 75 breads. Okay, so what was the question? What is the given information? The given information here is X is distributed normally with 70 and 3, right? So the center is 70. So this question says between 65 and 75. So they are asking you this probability. So how can you show this probability? What is the probability of daily sale of bread, which is X, is between 65 and 75. So this is what you need to find. So as I told you in the first step, we don't want to go for the advanced calculations. So instead, you have to transform everything here. What is here? Here is the standard. This is the normal distribution. So you have to transform the normal distribution into a standard normal distribution. How? By the transformation formula. What is the transformation formula? X minus mu divided by sigma. Okay? So the same question, this is the question, right? Becomes, so this is the normal distribution state. This is the normal distribution, right? So the same thing becomes a standard normal distribution as follows. So what is the x1? x1 is what? 65. So what is the value of 65 in z state? So use the transformation formula. What is x? 65 minus mu. Mu is given 70 and standard deviation is what? 3. So this is approximately again negative 5 over 3, so it's approximately negative 1.67, and x2 is 75. Actually we did this in the first step. Z equals to 75 minus 70 divided by 3, so it is the positive 5 over 3, so it's again approximately 1.67. So the same question becomes now in Z state, right? This is the standard normal distribution, which is 0 and 1. Right? The center is what? 0. And 65 becomes negative 1.67. This 75 becomes 1.67. So this same problem, I haven't solved the problem yet. I'm just transforming everything. The same problem becomes probability of X is between 65 and 75 becomes probability of Z is between negative 1.67 and 1.67 is again question mark. Okay, first I am transferring the question into a question in the standard normal distribution. So this is the, here we have the standard normal distribution. Now this is the question. This is again the question. I haven't solved yet, but what I did here is I transform everything into a standard normal distribution. Why? Because in order to solve this problem, I want to use the standard normal distribution table. So let's start using the standard normal distribution table. So this is 0, this is negative 1.67, 1.67, right? So this is the question. Probability of negative 1.67, the 1.67 is question mark. Okay, now this is this normal distribution 0 and 1. So the rest of the question is like playing with the geometry. Why? Because as I told you, the standard normal distribution table is designed for the special numbers. Why? Because this table that we are using is giving me the lower tail probability. So what it means, for example, if I look up for 1.67, okay, so it means that you have to find 1.6 from the left side, 0.07 from the top part. So you have to read the number here, which is 0.9525, right? So this is the value, gives you that the whole area up to the 1.67 here is this area. The whole area is what? This area is 0.9525. Okay? Is this the area that we are looking for? No. We are looking for the area between negative 1.67 and positive 1.67. So then in the next step, if you are going to look up for negative 1.67 from the table, okay, so you have to go to the standard normal distribution table. Now you have to find negative 1.6 from the left side and 0.07 from the top part, and you have to read off this number here. Okay, so that number is 0.0475. Okay, this is the area left side of the negative 1.67. Okay, now how are we going to solve the problem? As you see here, we are trying to find the area between negative 167 and positive 1.67. So if this area is 0.0475, as you see here, the difference between this one and this one will give you this area. Did you see it? See, the whole area 1.67 is here, negative 1.67 here. Since we are looking for the area between negative 167 and positive 167, so if you get the difference between these two numbers, then you are going to get this area. So the answer of this question will be 0.9525 minus 0.0475. Okay, so it is so if you take the difference, I believe it is like 0.9050, right? This means that the answer is, if you multiply by 100, so the answer of this question is 90.5%. So the daily sale of bread between 65 and 75 is 90.5%. Thank you.